Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can use map art in Adobe Illustrator in wrapping any graphics or any picture on any 3D geometry like a sphere, cuboid. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to just suppose in this tutorial I am going to wrap the graphics on a sphere. So for making a sphere, just start with a circle and make a circle, and using direct selection tool delete a path font so that it will remain as a half circle. Just click and enter delete key, it will delete and it will remain as half circle. Now change the stroke color from white to black or anything. Just keep the stroke 2 and remove the fill color, it will much better, and stroke will be 1 or 2, doesn't matter. Now make some rectangular straps using rectangle tools, and now duplicate. Just select, click and drag holding Alt and Shift key, and after duplicating one piece just press Command D couple of times, it will duplicate multiple copies, and after that just select all at once and change the color which you want. I think it's in green, and keep the stroke for 4-5, and I think it's, and change the stroke color also. Just I'm going for illustration only, not I'm going for perfect color and perfect shape or anything. Just I'm going to illustrate how you can use your own graphics and for your own project. So just I'm illustrating, and now after that group these and drag it into shapes and name it and export tab graphics and click OK. And now you can delete the rectangular straps, just delete it, it no longer be needed. And after that just select the arc and go to effect and 3D and revolve. Now just check the preview and wireframe or anything you can change later on, and just make a preview little. And now just go to map art. In map art just select the symbol from the new symbol one and stretch a scale to fit, and again go to second and again select the symbol one and again a scale to fit and click OK. From change bar frame to no shading, or you can change on any other. It's just the position of the sphere so that it can view at. It's done. And you can change the strap size and the strap strokes or anything, it will update in a sphere also. So just double click on just open the symbol and double click on the straps, and it will open the straps, and you can increase or decrease the stroke or color or anything, and it will update also in a sphere also. So let's change the color and stroke thickness, and let's see in a sphere. You can see here it updated in a sphere also. So you can mess with these thing also. So I think it's done, and I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next. Thank you.